Hello, my name is Baris Cakir. I am plastic surgeon and working in Istanbul. I'm only doing rhinoplasty for many years. Also, I'm an art student. I'm interested in nose sculpture and drawing for many years. Let me show some example we made in this office with my fellows. Another one showing the beautiful natural cartilage anatomy, polygon concept. And then another one is showing drawing of the nose. Our workshop takes 6 hours. First 3 hours we are showing you how to draw nose, and also we are using the same nasal photographs like side view, like frontal and the base and the apex. Also 3/4 view is very important to show the facet and the highlights. Drawing is so important to understand nose form, and we are examining the relationship between the surface aesthetic and the nasal skeleton. In the last 3 hours, we will give you clay and masks without nose, and we will ask you to make beautiful nose on that masks. After that, we will remove the skin on that clay, on that sculpture, and you will achieve the beautiful cartilage anatomy. It's very important to do this yourself, so you're gonna touch 3D beautiful cartilage anatomy. And it's very important to understand, and you will learn in 3 dimension. I think you're gonna improve your aesthetic bar 20-30%. See you in Istanbul. Thank you very much.